Good morning, children. Welcome back to English class. Okay, we are in fifth lesson, children. We are discussing about a story, right? Yesterday, the introduction part of the story we learned, isn't it? What happened in the entrance of the story, children? One jackal is there in a forest. It was very hungry. It went to a village. There, he wants to steal some food. At that time, some dogs have seen this jackal and started barking and chasing the jackal. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ వరకు నేర్చుకున్నాము. డాగ్స్ అన్నీ కలిపి ఫాక్స్ని తరుముతున్నాయి. నెక్స్ట్ వి విల్ సీ వాట్ విల్ హ్యాపెన్. టర్న్ యువర్ పేజెస్, చిల్డ్రన్. స్టూడియో పేజ్ నెంబర్ 58. Now see, I will read, listen, children. The jackal was frightened. Frightened means what, children? Afraid. Afraid means chala bhayapadipoyindi anamata. Okay, frightened and started running to save himself. Okay, that means the jackal was very frightened and he started to running to save himself. In an effort to save himself, that means in effort అంటే తనని తాను రక్షించుకునే ప్రయత్నంలో he entered a house in the village. That means what will be there in the village? So many houses will be there, right? Like that, by running to save himself, what he did, he went into a house. Whose house it is? It belongs to a washerman. Washerman means the person who washes the walls, like that. Okay, washerman means like we can call as painter also, like that. Okay, washerman. While trying to hide himself, that means తను దాక్కోవడానికి అక్కడ ఇంట్లో వాషర్మ్యాన్కి కనిపించకుండా, ఇంట్లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి కనిపించకుండా దాక్కోవడానికి ట్రై చేస్తున్నప్పుడు he slipped అంటే తను పడిపోయాడు. ఓకే, he slipped and fell into a tub full of blue paint. Where he fell down? In a blue paint tub. Okay, a tub which was filled with the blue paint. Soon the barks of the dogs stopped. After that, the barks of the dogs means కుక్కలు మొరగడం ఆపేసాయి. అండ్ ద జాకిల్ స్లోలీ గాట్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ది టబ్. అలా పడిపోగానే కుక్కలు మొరగడం ఆపేసాయి అండ్ స్లోగా ఈ జాకిల్ బయటకు వచ్చేసింది. యాజ్ హీ వాజ్ ప్రిపేరింగ్ టు లీవ్ ద హౌస్. ఓకే, యాజ్ హీ వాజ్ ప్రిపేరింగ్ మీన్స్ దట్ హీ వాంట్స్ టు కమ్ అవుట్ నవ్. ఓకే, హీ లుక్డ్ అట్ హిమ్సెల్ఫ్ ఇన్ ఎ బిగ్ మిర్రర్ ఫిక్స్డ్ on one of the walls. Okay, while he was coming out, he looked himself in the mirror. Okay, mirror means what, children? Addam. Okay, in a big mirror he seen himself in the wall. Okay, he jumped in surprise as his entire body was dyed in blue color. Okay, the jackal jumped and with surprise. ఓకే, ఆశ్చర్యపడిపోతున్నాడు అనమాట. వై? బికాస్ మనము ఒక బ్లూ పెయింట్ ఉన్న టబ్లో మునిగి లెగిస్తే ఏ కలర్లో ఉంటాం మనం కూడా? వి విల్ బికమ్ ఇన్ ద కలర్ ఆఫ్ ది బ్లూ ఓన్లీ, ఇజంట్ ఇట్? హోల్ అవర్ బాడీ ఆల్సో విల్ బి కలర్డ్. డైడ్ మీన్స్ వాట్? కలర్డ్. ఓకే, color. Like that, the jackal was very surprised. He did not look like a jackal anymore. That means jackal will be in blue color, children? No, we cannot see any blue color jackal. Now this jackal is in blue color. That means he is no more jackal now. He ran out of the house quickly and began running back to the forest. Okay, he came out from the house and he started running to the forest. Okay, he started to go back to the forest. From there only, no, he came. Now he returned to forest. When he reached the forest, the other animals were not able to recognize him. Recognize. Okay. When he back to the forest. Okay. Before they will be seeing the jackal, normal jackal, right? As usual, all jackals will be how it will be like that only, this jackal also. But now the jackal is in different way. Okay, no one will identify. Recognize means identify. No one is unable to identify that he is only jackal. Okay, no one is not recognizing this jackal. ఎవరు గుర్తుపట్టలేకపోతున్నారు అనమాట రిమైనింగ్ యానిమల్స్ ఎవరు. ఓకే, and we will see what will happen after this, children. Now this jackal went back to that forest. Now we will see remaining what will happen in our next class. Till here we have discussed, children, this much only. 3 paragraphs. Read these 3 paragraphs, underline the hard words, and read these 3 meanings also. Okay, yesterday we learned one meaning. 1, 2, 3, 4, children. These 4 meanings write one time in your classwork. Okay, we are following one classwork now. Leave 3 pages from the fourth lesson. Fourth lesson నుంచి 3 pages leave చేయండి. నెక్స్ట్ 5th lesson టైటిల్ పెట్టి ఈ మీనింగ్స్ 4 you have to write. Okay, children, this is about today's English class. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.